How are you doing?
Good, thanks. What can I get started for you?
May I have a large grande cappuccino?
Is it large or medium?
Large, sorry.
Large. That's okay. All right. That's everything for you?
No, can I get a large venti matcha latte with oat milk, please?
Sorry, oat milk? Or?
Yes, please.
Awesome.
Can I get oat milk in that cappuccino instead too?
Yeah, of course.
Wicked.
And that's everything for you?
Yes, thank you.
Awesome. No problem. It's 1333. We'll see you up here.
All right, cool. Hello world, welcome back to an exciting episode of Camp Hospital. Today we're picking out tile and starting the backsplash for the kitchen upstairs. Let's go. Well, it's hard to believe this place started as just a 400 square foot tiny house. If you're new around here, we cut the roof off and built a loft apartment upstairs. Now we use all 800 square feet. And because we love this project so much, we decided to do it again just down the road. And if you've been here before, thanks for riding with us. Good morning. Can I start with those?
Okay, yeah, for sure.
Thank you. Yes, please. Oh, great. Debit, please. Thank you. Scores. We found those gift cards when we did the clean out, winterizing the tiny house space video about a week ago.
The Visa cards we had found had no money on them, so I have no idea why they were kept.
That's a massive cappuccino. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
And you guys have your own measurements and everything?
Dark root? Oh, yeah. I see what you're doing. So it's going to have a black outline
Yeah, you like that?
all the way up.
Yeah.
I do. Well, we're back, and Steph's hard at work already, trying to find the holes at the back for these. These are for the shelves, so we have to drill a hole. We've got nice 2x, I don't remember, live edge slabs, and those will be flush on the wall. We're using a 1/4-inch cement board as the backing that's going to go behind the tile. We've got to drill these holes so we can get it up against the wall so that the shelves are nice and flush against the tile, right? So we ordered the tile this morning while we were there. You were there with us. It's supposed to be in, what do you say, about a week or so, and 71 square feet. I think it was 19 boxes or so. So I can't even believe it might happen before the ball drops there on the 31st of December. Hi. You drilling holes over there? Oh, because the power's off over here. Right. You're smart. Look at you. It's like you know what you're doing. Oh, jeez.
Careful.
My bad.
Lots of things in your way.
Holy, these are off, right? I can get my hands in there.
Like that you ask while you're touching it.
This is off, right? It's like you know what you're doing. Wow. Look at that. On the line and on the line. So it looks like everything's level. And drywall up to there.
Screw it in.
Yeah, right? It's all hanging on that. And those are into studs. That's amazing. What are you doing now? Are you cutting out the vent?
Yeah.
Well, I can feel the draft from the outside. We cut a hole in the wall. That was our last video. Just a little tight. Never mind.
Tight here.
Okay. Yeah. Look. There's a little bit of a bow in there. flush. Well, if you're new around here, I've done a lot of speaking over the years at school districts and conferences all over North America and beyond. I've been as far as Hawaii, Alaska, and even Budapest to share my work. These days, Codebreaker aims to amplify the voices of other educators doing amazing things in the education field. Just like that, we're on to the last wall. Right, Steph? How wide is that?
23 and a half.
Let's go. How does it look so far? Yeah. Well, waves are freezing. The waves are freezing. They're starting to. It's cold. Mm-hmm.
She's like, I can't even.
ICV! Oh, Brian's on the ground, attack him!
I'm so scared. I don't like it.
It's windy and stuff swearing. Okay. Oh, thank you. Get a wiggle butt out of the way. Camera beats you. Let's go. A hair below that line, huh?
Yeah. Can't just be online.
Of course not. You want me to sit? Good girl. That's a good spot to lie down. Oh, wow.
You helping?
Okay, now you gotta move. Bye.
Get out.
Let's go. Gotta go. Good girl. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, are you snapping it? Give her. Not deep enough. I believe in you. No, not enough. No. Here we go. Attempt 2. Give her. Oh, yeah, you did. It's like you know what you're doing. Measure 3 times, cut 4 times. Is that the old adage? That looks good. Oh, wow. Nice work. All right, lake break. Let's go. Exciting update for y'all. We are actually going to have a shower and a toilet upstairs. And it's all actually happening next week, believe it or not. We're gonna have the shower done and the toilet installed before the holiday season. 4 years later, I can't even believe it. Let's get her done though before 2025. That's the goal. Everything's here and everything is plumbed. No, not everything's here, but the toilet's been picked. We'll just go and grab it in the next couple of days, and then ticky-tacky, plumber's gonna connect everything next week. Okay, this is painfully cold. There you go. We're starting to freeze. We got some treasure down there, but I'm not getting it right now. It is just way too cold. Holy, okay, I'm done. Bye. Ta-da! One more piece. How's it going, Steph?
Good.
You know it's cold outside?
Yeah.
On a scale from 1 to 10, it's freezing. It's just one little tiny piece, eh? That's good songs. Last piece?
Yeah.
Is that you're excited, Dance?
Yeah.
It looks fantastic.
Yeah, I did a pretty good job, I think.
Pretty good. You're always glass half empty.
I do good work.
I think it's better than pretty good. I think it's amazing.
This whole most stressful part.
No kidding. To make sure it's centered here where the stove goes and because of the siding on the outside.
Yeah.
That was scary. Yesterday's video. Check it out. There we are. So next there's what? It's like a layer of glue almost, right? Smack the tiles up. Grout. And that all comes in next week. Black grout. It's like a thin pencil line around the wave tile.
What do you say, 1/16?
Of an inch?
Yeah.
It's gonna look awesome.
I hope so. I'm excited.
Me too. And tell them about the plumbing. Tell them about the plumbing.
Oh, the plumbing? Oh, yeah, next week as well. We'll have working upstairs bathroom.
And
Next week.
toilet, sink, and shower.
Yeah.
It looks gorgeous. So we did up to the top of the gas line, which comes out of the wall. You cutting a strip for underneath?
Yeah.
Is that what you're doing? Not that you see back there, but look at that. Oh, look, you even cut around the countertop. Look at you. Steph, it's like you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
All right, so this is what we're talking about here. This is not connected. We're going to get the toilet connected here. And the shower head we have gets connected here, and then it runs up here and mounted, and there's a second waterfall thing there that has to get connected. But 5 days, in 5 days, this is plumbed and working. 5 days.
5 days.
5 days. Can quit going to the gym. Not with the camera in my hand. Nope. No dice. Nope. Sorry. Hi.
Hi, babe.
The camera thinks I never left, but I keep saying hi to you because it's been like 15 minutes between these shots. People at home are like, why does he keep saying hi?
Yeah. Oh, again.
Hello again.
Cool.
Truth is, I'm editing in real time. That's why these videos come out as quickly as they do. So I say hi, it feels like it's every 3 seconds, but it's more like every 25 minutes.
For the kitchen.
Set finito. Done. Ready for tile. Can you even believe it?
I can't believe it.
Like, what is happening? Now, if somebody would just come and finish this drywall.
Yeah, right?
Okay, I'll do it. It's not a very big space. The ladder's set. We get it done in the next couple weeks. No, we'll get it done before the new year. I think I put it off because I didn't want to cut a hole and figure out how to trim around the
I don't want to figure
that access. So we just kept putting it off.
Yeah.
But same here with the vent hole. And look, you nailed it.
Yeah.
Here's the, what's this? The damper vent doodad.
Yo.
It goes out the wall. And then I think this is the vent here. Mounts to the underside of the live edge shelves. We have to drill holes, 1/2-inch holes, and then they'll slide on, almost like an IKEA shelf. So drill holes, they go on there. Well, 2 shelves, hood vent underneath.
Keep the cold out for now.
Yeah, can you feel that draft coming through?
Yeah.
It's just whipping through today.
Yeah.
Nice. Well, now that the kitchen's done, we're cutting some pieces to finally finish the top of the fireplace. This vents out the side wall. We wanted to do that instead of going up. And we're going to put the same cement board all the way across the top. And then we're going to finish it just like the shower. So the same few coats of this kind of porous concrete is going to go on top of that backboard on top to create the fireplace mantle. And because there's so much heat in there, we don't have to worry. I keep talking about the live edge pieces. These, they've been sitting here for a long time. They are solid, easily 2 inches. So drill a hole in the back. We'll cut it straight, run it down the table saw. And then those spindles go into the back. Boom, stuck on the wall. That's why there's 2 of those. It's going to look gorgeous up there. Okay, it's cold. Holy. First one done. That's it. End of another day. They are flying by. Of course, it's because it gets dark at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, I gotta quit. It's getting dark.
Yeah, but no, it's only 4 o'clock in the afternoon right now. This looks great. And then we'll put that cement coat right on top. While Steph was doing that, I finally finished this wall. This wall was giving me trouble. And I just took a nice wet rag to it before the mud finally hardened. And look at it. I will paint that tomorrow. Finally. That's it. That's the last wall downstairs. Bye, Tom. I know, Brian's yelling at the camera. I'll worry about the rest upstairs in 2025. Once that toilet's in upstairs, this thing can go, and then we can get this bathroom done as well. Well, how's it feel?
Good. Really good, actually.
All right, good. One more final look at the fireplace. See, it's gorgeous. There we go. I like it. So it's gonna look like flagstone, slate, if you will. Kitchen's done, ready for tile next week. Stove's going back. It's one of those days. Exciting. That's going to do it for us. Peace and love from Canada's most southern mainland shoreline. Give somebody close to you a hug. Tell them they matter. Don't forget you matter. If you like this content, consider hitting the like button. If you're not part of the community, hit that subscribe button. See you on the next one.